Hello, what are you guys doing today? What am I doing today? Well, what I have done today, this morning, did some door dashing, made a few dollars. Started about 6:30. It's 10:30 now, and I'm done. I take it easy on the Saturday and Sundays. Got to have some kind of life. So now I'm up here in North Tucson here. I'm gonna go take a look at this, check out this park called Catalina Park. I might do, there's a couple trails. Better roll the window back up so you guys can hear me. Might do an easy trail. I'm not dressed or prepared for a long trail, so I'm gonna go check it out. If I like it, I'll come back and do some other trails. We're gonna go in there. It's about 10 miles away from here. I might grab a bite here to eat first, because I gotta be hungry. Testing out this new camera on my phone. I haven't used it much. There's a 0.5, a 1 times, and a 2. This is just on the 1. Experiment. It seems like it's a lot blurrier. It initially setting it up, or when I touch the phone, it gets blurry. Maybe it's just my eyes. I gotta get my eyes checked. But right now it looks good. I had a hell of a time just trying to get it situated. My old camera, the iPhone 6, it just had that one lens. This one here has the 3 eyes there for the camera, so it makes it more of a wider picture, I guess, and it's supposed to be better for quality. So we'll see. I haven't made too many videos of these. I'm heading up north here to supposed to be Catalina State Park, so I'm only like 10 minutes away. I was up here doing some door dashing and this morning, and my last delivery, I said, you know what, I'm going to take a break and go take a look at some of this these parks around here. And I seen this one was pretty close. I guess they have a lot of trails that showed a bunch of difficulties from easy to hard, different trails. I might just do the easy trail, because I'm not prepared for, and I'm not in shape for a long, hard trail right now. So yeah, there's an option on this camera. It says 4 times, or not 4 times, but 4K, I guess. And there's 3. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just pushing record. Keep playing around with it, right? That's how you get better. Push all the things, push all the buttons. That's how I figure things out. Or I look on YouTube and say, hey, how do I use my iPhone 12 camera? And there'll probably be dozens of tutorials on there. People explaining things with loads of ads too. As you can see, the mountain range is here on my right side, the east side. I'm on Oracle Road right now. I was hoping to find, there's a Chipotle. I might stop at Chipotle. I was craving some tacos, but Chipotle will work. What else you got? Panera Bread. No, Chipotle's right here. Let's get some Chipotle. I haven't had much. I didn't even have breakfast. Well, I had a couple pieces of raisin bread. That was my breakfast. So let's go grab some Chipotle here, and then we're gonna go off to this Catalina State Park. I think I said $7 to get in, so we'll see. Wow! So I just went to Chipotle and got me a burrito bowl, you know, with some guac on it and some chips and a Coke, and $17. plus. It was like $17.50 or something. Wow. I mean, I haven't been there in a while, but that's to me, that's nuts. I'm a cheap guy, I guess, but $17. And I was expecting to be like maybe half that. For some rice and beans. Got some chicken, I guess, in there. But all right, we're off to the marching forward here, up to the Catalina State Park. Oh, I got the green light. It's amazing. Something about a Coke in a glass bottle, it just tastes much better. Oh yeah, man. That's some kind of mind thing or what? But am I right? Glass bottle for the win. Oh, there's a sign, Catalina State Park, 1 mile. It said bring your binoculars, so I don't have those. But this, I'm not happy with this. I just ran a red light, I think. Nope, it's still yellow. My phone, this is the iPhone 12, but it just seems to be blurry a lot when I am setting it up, getting ready to push record. Let's see, it said a mile away. Did I miss the sign? I like signs. Show me the sign, baby. Show me the sign. Sorry about it. I got that arm in there. Rams Field Pass. Oh, they got the wall here on the right-hand side. Beautiful sunny day here. It's 77 degrees right now, 11 o'clock. Okay, here we go. Catalina State Park here to the right. Alright, let's see how much this baby. I think it cost, what I read online there, it said $7 to get in. And I don't have any cash on me. This guy better take some credit card. My debit card. Going here in the park and, oh, here it is. You guys see the sign? Signs everywhere, sign. Catalina State Park, Coronado National Forest. Entering burned area, fallen rock and debris, flash flood area. All right. Oh, you guys, I'm sorry. I got to get this camera situated on this arm better. And I try to zoom in so you don't have to see the arm. Let's go. One right there, but it just doesn't. Maybe when I watch it back, it'll look better. But I'm looking at it live and it looks kind of blurry to me. All right, there's a little line there. Let's see what this baby cost me. I just spent $18 for some chicken and some Chipotle there. Let's see if this costs. Fee area. Okay, it says, what's this say? Daily entrance, $7 per vehicle, up to 4 people, $3 individual. Overnight camping, $20. RV overnight camping, $30. Annual daily entrance pass for all Arizona state parks. Does that say 75? Please respect these rules, guys. Here we go. Entrance fees required. No wood or ground fires. Vehicles stay on pavement. Pets must be leashed. Park closes at 10 p.m. All right, I think I can follow those rules. Guess I wasn't the only one that had the same idea. I want to go to the park. I do have a Coke. I have my gallon of water with me. I have a little cooler. bring a little cooler with me. There's a lot of people, when I do DoorDash, a lot of people get drinks and these EGs. EGs is a place where it's a local Tucson restaurant chain, fast food, but they have these, what made them popular was these different flavored, icy type of drinks. Oh, maybe they paid for me too. Hey, good morning. Did they pay for me as well?
Unfortunately, no.
You guys obviously you had to take cards, right?
Visa or Master.
Thank you. $7, sir?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Campground full, no overflow.
Pardon?
Oh, just reading your signs here. Campground is full, huh?
It is. There's someone in there? It is.
Full house.
It's still
all right, my first time here, so what do you recommend?
Canyon Loop Trails, 2.5 mile loop.
That's all I'm looking for. Perfect. Just follow the
down the end of this road.
follow the
signs when you get down there.
Awesome. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
All right. Got a nice little, so you guys can see it. They gave me a day pass, 17 April, Arizona State Parks. Let's put this on my dash, I guess. Please hang on Mira, this side facing out. Okay. All right, we can do that. Inside Catalina State Park, my first park here. Is it? Yep, I think it's my first state park here in Arizona. Sitting at the base of the majestic Santa Catalina Mountains. Catalina State Park is a haven for desert plants, wildlife, and archaeology. The 5,500 acre of foothills, canyons, and riverbeds invite camping, picnicking, and bird watching. More than 150 species of birds call the park home. First paragraph in the little brochure they give you. I gotta pay attention here. Picnic areas. You guys, did I miss the sign? Did I miss the sign for the, I always want that first loop. And there's some picnic tables over there. Cool. I'll sit down and eat my Chipotle. $18 Chipotle. Cool. It said campground is full. Huh. Take a look at all the campgrounds. 25 miles per hour. I'm going 30. See if we see any wildlife. I saw some this morning. I should have got it on the film on the video. Romeo Run Trail. They look like they look like pigs. They're real dark colored though, and they look like they have hairs like porcupines. I don't know if I didn't get that close. I couldn't tell if it was like the quills on them but they look like they're bigger than potbelly pigs. They were pigs, man. They're like warthogs and black colored. They ran in front of my car. I have to see what those are. Do some research on that. Bunch of cactuses up there to the left. Should have got me another Coke. I don't drink Coke much. It's like a treat for me when I get Coke. Try to stay away from much sodas. Got some bikers up here. Bunch of cars up here to the left. This must be a popular. This might be the trail. If I can find a shady tree, I can sit underneath it and eat, or I'd rather get out and trailhead. I'd rather get out and eat on the. Yeah, here we go. Picnic tables over here. Here we go. I'm gonna park in here. Follow everybody else. I got my Washington State plates. Everybody's, oh, hey, you're from Washington? Met a couple other Washingtonians in the area here. So there's some picnic tables out here that no one's using. I'm gonna go out. Oh, there's one people. Some people use. There's some nice shady ones. So I'm gonna park right here. Look at that. The first spot. Hamburger. That they got restrooms over here. All right. Yeah, found me a nice little shady spot to eat here. Bunch of picnic tables here in the area. Eat some grub. Well, here's my food. I forgot to grab a fork, but I'm glad I got the chips because that's what I'll use to scoop up my food. My spoon. Yummy, yummy. All right, just ate me the Chipotle meal, and I'm gonna go do a little walk, gradual walk here to walk some of that off. Which way do I go? Follow these people up here. Talked to some people down there when I was eating. They said they saw a bunch of just rodents and some road runners and stuff that I've already seen before, just driving through town. So, but if I see a rattlesnake, I'm gonna scream like a little girl. There's plenty of them out here, especially the weather warming up. There we go. I'm gonna go up there. Yeah, right. Out of shape for that. Not prepared. Beautiful day. Come out here. Get off your butt and move. What do we got here? Nature trail. I think that's what I read here on the map. That they handed me. That's the little, only the mile one. But up and around, and I said prepare to walk about 45 minutes. All right. Just don't bring your horse on this trail. Uphill we go. Definitely don't want to fall down here, one of these guys. Check these out. They got some kind of bulbs on this tree, cactus tree, but these are some flowers that are gonna bloom at the end. Yep. See a bunch of holes on the side sometimes of these cactuses. I'm just sure there's maybe birds that kind of nest in there. There's all lone bench. This desert discovery. Far from being a desolate, barren land, the Sonoran Desert has a rich abundance of life. Birds, reptiles, mammals, insects, and plants have all adapted to life here. Well, I haven't seen any yet. Wow. These things, probably poisonous if I touch it, huh? Ow! Saw a couple of these today running across in front of my car. Coyotes in town. Listen, guys. Listen. Sound of silence. Uh-oh. Mountain lions, pumas, cougars, panther. Average adult is 150 pounds, 30 inches tall. Eats mostly deer, small mammals, and birds. Can leap up to 15 feet. All right, good to know. Not sure how to get back, guys. Oh, there's some movement. Some wild animals out there. Oh, that's humans. I'm close to them. I was lost. Imagine just being out here, lost. Nothing but some shrubs and some big boulders everywhere, and sun beating down on you. Luckily, it's not too hot right now. It's like 80 something. Maybe lower 80s right now. Haven't seen any wildlife. I mean, they're all come out at night. Not much color out here, huh? Oh, here's some desert flowers. All right, here's some mountains. Mount Lemon, 9,160 feet. Some more of the mountains and rocks. Here in front of where I'm looking at, let's see. This is Mount Lemon. Must be that peak over there. Yep, according to the map. Mountain Kimball, right over here. Got some venomous dwellers of the desert. Got scorpions, black widow spider, a Gila monster, rattlesnake, bobcat. Nope, haven't ran into any of these animals. It'd be beautiful to see them out in the wild, but I'd probably be scared and run off like a little girl. Oh, look at these rocks up there. I'm just taking you guys on, this was one of the marked as the easy trail. Nature's Trail, I forgot the name of this one. But anyway, in this park here, there's all kinds of trail. If you want to challenge yourself, there's varies levels of difficulty. Seen 1 or 2 lizards. They're so quick. Couldn't get them on camera. I ran right in front of me. Holes in the cacti there. One way up top too. Oh, there's birds living in there. That's where snakes would like to be, underneath these rocks. All kinds of holes. Looks like there's all kinds of little varmints or rodents, I'm sure, living in there. Can't really see. I can see that this rock here is so much mica on there. Big piece right there. You guys want any pictures of some cactuses, and then let me have me send them to you. I can do that. There's cactuses everywhere. So yeah, this is recommended for you know, get out about. Ain't too hard of a trail. I shouldn't have done this after I ate that big Chipotle food though. My stomach is kind of, you know, but get some energy in you, and then wait, you know, wait at least an hour or 2, then you can go. It's mostly flat, couple little hills. Just take your time. Mule deer, huh? That really, that is nice and solid. I've never actually handled the cactus before. I mean, the little ones. That's the only kind of plants I can keep alive. Got some plants and ivy. I don't do too bad either. Ivy and cactus are pretty hardy plants. But some other ones I grabbed before I had them in my apartment. Maybe I watered them too much, not enough sunlight. The secret life of desert plants. Some big boulders around here. I took some couple pictures of them. So if you're a rock hound, like rocks, all kinds of shiny rocks. I didn't see any gold. I probably wouldn't have left those behind, but probably can't even take it. I mean, probably even supposed to pick up rocks. You're in the national park. I don't even know the rules here. Take some rocks home with you. That's probably illegal to do. Even though there's trillions and trillions of rocks. It's like I went to Mount St. Helens Park, and they have those pumice rocks everywhere. I wanted to take a couple home and put them in my bathtub and watch them float. They're like, no, what are you doing? Leave that where it's at. Here it is. Here's this guy. Yes, I've seen a few of these in town. Well, up in Catalina Hills, in the residential, I've seen them in the neighborhoods in the morning. It's called a javelina. Yeah. Looks like a pig to me. Eats primarily roots, bulbs, shoots, and fruits. Shoots, what's that? Like a root? It's like a root, isn't it? Scent gland located on back is used to keep herd together. Travel in herds up to 30 animals. Wow. Yeah, I've seen like 4 or 5 grouped together. Driving around up on Catalina Hills and down in South Tucson as well. One thing good about here also is, guess what? No mosquitoes. There's some more of those. It's like grapes, kind of. Interesting. All right, it's definitely starting to heat up. Hope I'm at the end here. Coming up, shouldn't be too much farther. You guys can see that. I think there's maybe like a desert eagle or a hawk. It's flying high, looking for some something to probably swoop down on and eat for lunch. We did the loop. I'm back at the coyote sign. All right, not bad. Yeah, nature trail loop, guys. That was the green level for beginner trail. All right, let's get back to the car. All right, let's get back here in my car, obviously. You guys can see that. So it's, oh wow, it says 92 degrees out there. So if you're gonna go take a little hike, make sure you do it. I don't know what time they open, but I know they close. It said 10 p.m. So earliest you can in the morning, and maybe like sunset. Anyway, the coolest part of the day. For me, I'm not used to it. With that said, I might go wander and see how big this park is. I'm gonna go drive around here and see. I had the map. Where's the map at? Oh, it's in my bag. Map didn't look that big. So, I mean, lots of trails, plenty of walking. You guys come back here probably a month every day, do a trail, and still not get all the trails. There's even an RV park. It's full right now, so call ahead. How big this park is. I can't recall on the map if it loops around back to the front entrance or if it just dead ends up here. Yeah, I even read there where I ate, they have concerts, I guess. Kind of neat. That's a big trail here. Oh yeah, it just loops around. Okay. Big old loop right here. That's it. And there's a bunch of trails all marked. Nice signage. That's the one I did. Nature Trail, it's called. I've seen, I swear that sign, I thought it said horses, no horses, but now it looks like a dog. I've seen plenty of people have dogs. So maybe there's some trails you can't have dogs on. Yeah, there's people right there with some dogs. Yeah, and on the rules, I remember in entrance it said, as long as they're leashed up. So bring your dog. Yeah, must have been where I was sitting. Now it's 86 degrees. Not sure about this temperature gauge on my car. Yeah, it might be hot. Next month it'll be, 110 probably out here. Nice road. Tax money at work. This one, the roads in town are terrible. Cracks everywhere. Alright, thanks for joining me, guys. So my little adventures trying this out, trying to maybe grow this YouTube channel that I got going on here. Exit this way. Let's see what we can do. I have some big plans in the works, but I have no idea how to do like editing and very well. I have to learn, or I give somebody my money and they can do it for me. There was a guy up there. He ran by me. He must have been 80 years old. He was a lot better shape than me. His shirt off and everything. And hope I look that good when I'm that old. I gotta stay in shape. Yeah, but it's pretty to see all these. I just came from I used to live in Washington, and just lots of, well, in the Northwest, Western Washington. Lots of rain, so green, green, green. Lots of big trees, pine trees everywhere, Christmas trees. So, $7 to get in, not bad. Place to have a picnic at. Do some trails. Bring your bike. Bunch of kids here riding bikes in the park. Yeah, there's some nice shade trees too, which I like. Go walk, get a little sweat going on, then you can just chill out, grab some drinks by the shade tree and the picnic table, and have a little picnic, food and cold drinks. But that's it. You get the pass for the day. Reserve your campsite or cabin at azstateparks.com. There you go. Until the next adventure with Casey. Keep moving forward, guys. Oh, just wanted to mention something. Right outside the entrance of the Catalina State Park here, there's a Wally World and other stores, so you can grab some stuff at Walmart for your picnic or whatever and get going. So that's convenient.